So I'm here in Tenerife, staying at the Las Dalias in Costa Adeje, and I'm here to give you a room tour of my room, a full room tour, and see if this room is up to the standard of what you guys want to have when you come here to Tenerife. So we're going to check out the room, we're going to check out the view, and hopefully you enjoy this video. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, click that bell for notifications. So let's just check out the room. I am in room 737 on the 7th floor. The lifts are right next to it, so it's quite convenient to go back and forward. It's very quiet. You can see all the rooms are close together, all the floors. If you look down here as well, the rooms are there, so everything's here. There's also wee water fountains here, so you can fill up bottles of water just here, no problem whatsoever. And you've got the seating area just here as well. So we're going to go into the room and check it out. So off the bat, this room is actually really nice. I've got nothing wrong with it so far. So this is the bathroom. Let's get the bathroom out of the way. So we've got a nice shower area here. It's all nice and clean. There's nothing wrong. You've got some soap, hand wash, stuff like that, body wash, all there, free. Got a shower one there. It's not a a rainfall shower, but at the end of the day, that'll do. It's all you need for your holidays. Obviously you've got the toilet here, nothing special there, just a toilet. And then you've got the sink area, and you've got obviously the hairdryer, which I'm sure will work. Hopefully that works. So you've got the switch here, and then you've got some more hand soap here. Big massive mirror, hello. And obviously a couple of cups. I never get these cups. What are these cups for? Is that for your toothbrushes, I'm guessing? But I used to think these were for drinking, but I'm not too sure. Let me know in the comments what you think the cups are for. So that's the bathroom. Going to the open area for the beds. It's a double bed, but it's two single beds pushed together. I think most hotels do that. It's to give them, they can split into two twin beds if they want to. But you have got telephone just here. You've got lots of cupboard space here, and the safe, ladies and gentlemen. This is an extra charge. You've got to pay, it's €3 a day for the safe, and it's like an attachment she gives you, and then you put your card in and then type your PIN number in and then close it. You get a couple of extra pillows as well. And the other side, you get some hanging spaces as well. You've got some more coat hangers here, lots of storage space there. Then you've got obviously the TV, and we've got a nice bottle of champagne, or wine, but I'm not too sure if that's an extra charge. I need to find out if they've done that, because I said it was our anniversary, or if that's an extra charge. We've got more bottles here for your water. So as I showed you outside, that is for your water. You can fill that up, so you've got fresh water, some cups. You've got a stool for getting ready. You have your own mini fridge here, which is nice and cold, so that's lovely and cold. You can fit a few things in there, and obviously your TV. But you're coming on holiday, why do you want to watch TV? Now, got a nice wee seating area here. Wee bit of decor. This is one of the rooms that they've done up, and then obviously you've got aircon up here. Let me quickly just show you the aircon. Right now it's blowing cold, but this is it here, quite easy to work. So let's go and check out the view outside. Now this view is absolutely spectacular. Check out this view. Wow, check out that. That's obviously the mountain up there, and then if we look to the left here, we've got a great view of the sunset coming down, and obviously the nice view of the water. Absolutely spectacular view in this hotel. This is room 737, and I'm delighted with this room. If you do get this room, or you want this room, send them an email and ask them for room 737. It's not a pool room. If you want a pool room, you've got to pay an extra charge. Now, when I was searching for videos to find out where or what the rooms were like at this hotel, I couldn't find a decent one, so this is why I'm doing a video today. But I will say this was a basic standard double. this, what we booked this is, it's not a pool view, it's obviously a mountain view. It could have been from floor 1 up the way, so they gave us floor 7, we were lucky. It could have been floor 1, floor 2, so you can pay a supplement to go a pool view, which I think is €45 per day. I don't think it's worth it. I think you just need to email them to ask for a nice higher floor, which I think would be okay for your trip. But this is a basic double room, and I want to say as well, there's no difference between this room and a standard double. Now you probably notice the price differences online. There's no difference between a basic and a standard. They're both the same room, it's just a higher floor. Now for some reason they've gave me a higher floor when technically this should have been a double room, but for some reason they've gave me a higher floor. I did email them a few times saying, can you please give me a higher floor? I researched it, I didn't want a lower floor. You can see down here, if you get a lower floor, you're going to have a view of the car park. You've also got another area around the corner there, which I will be doing a full hotel review, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel and click that bell for notifications. I will be doing a full review of this hotel. I'll be doing all the food, all the Monday to Sunday food days, let you see all the food and what they've got available, and then I'll do a full review where I give you my advice. Is it worth booking this hotel? Remember, this is a 4-star hotel, so I'm going to let you guys know if it's worth the money and if it is a 4-star hotel, because I've read some of the TripAdvisor comments and they've all said it's not a 4-star, it should be more like a 3-star, but we're going to find out, guys. So I hope you're subscribed to the channel and enjoy your trip to Tenerife when you come here. If you want this room, ask for room 737. But I'm going to end the video there, my friends. See, you've got a nice table and chairs here to sit down and enjoy the view, a glass of beer. But I'm going to end the video there, guys. I just want to say thank you for watching this. I hope this tour was up to the standard that it should be, or people want to see. If you are watching this, please hit that like button, the thumbs up please, it's completely free. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next video, guys. Thank you for watching, take care.